Hello there and a very good evening to you. I hope you had a lovely day. Did you do it? Did you manage to stay warm? It's been really chilly outside, staying cold tonight with some frost around. Then tomorrow, Storm Arwen starts to make its way south through the country, turning things windier and bringing some outbreaks of rain as well. And then from midnight tomorrow through to Saturday, we've got a wind warning in place, a yellow wind warning, affecting parts of north and west Greater London in particular. Could see gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour.
Now, time for a look at all the weather news. It's getting chilly. Sarah Keith-Lucas is here. Hiya, Sarah.
Hi, Clive. Yes, it is getting colder. It's also getting windier too. We've got our first named storm of the season on the way. Now, it was a fairly quiet and calm end to the day here in Bracknell in Berkshire, but things are not going to be quite so serene as we head through the next 24 hours or so. Storm Arwen has been named by the Met Office. Particularly later Friday and into Saturday, we're going to be seeing that severe weather. So gales around, severe gales perhaps. Things could turn a little bit wintry, some sleet and some snow, mainly over the higher ground. So Storm Arwen could well cause some disruption through Friday and into Saturday as well. So we've got this area of low pressure, Storm Arwen, which has been developing. It's moving its way gradually further south. So wet and windy weather already across the northwest of the UK, pushing southwards and eastwards through the rest of this evening and overnight. It's really just the far southeast of England that stays with those clearer skies, and it's here that temperatures will fall lowest overnight. Could be around about -2 degrees in the countryside. Most other places frost-free, but from the word go, a windy day. Those northerly winds driving in a mix of sunshine and blustery heavy showers. Now, particularly across northern and central parts of Scotland, that'll be falling as snow. Blizzard conditions there when you add on the strength of the wind. It's going to be particularly windy across the east of Scotland and northeast England, where we've got an amber warning in force through the latter part of Friday and on into Saturday morning. So winds could reach around 70 miles per hour or more. So that area of low pressure, Storm Arwen, just drifting south in the North Sea. And we're going to be seeing those strong northerly winds driving in further showers through Friday night and on into Saturday. So another really windy day, gusts up to about 50 miles per hour or even more than that for some of us, and some scattered potentially wintry showers. So it won't be particularly warm, but Clive, when you add on the wind, it's going to feel really freezing out there this weekend.
And Sarah, it's been cold, but the one thing I can say, at least it's been dry. Is it going to stay like that?
Oh, I can't promise you the dry weather, Asad, not for too much longer. Yes, today was a glorious day. We had some blue sky, some sunshine around too. Red sky at night, shepherd's delight, some may say, but actually that's not going to be the story as we head through the next 24 hours or so. This was the sun setting at Twickenham a little bit earlier on, but as we head through tomorrow, the weather's going to turn increasingly cold with blustery showers around too. And we've got our first named storm of the season, Storm Arwen, that's been named by the Met Office, and that's going to bring some pretty disruptive weather as we look through towards the weekend. During the afternoon, more sunshine around, but more of these blustery showers, the winds picking up. It is not going to feel particularly warm. Temperatures at best only around about 7 or 8 degrees on Friday afternoon, even though we have got a bit of sunshine around. But it's really later on Friday and into Saturday that we see the arrival of Storm Arwen, and that's going to bring us a spell of cold weather, a risk of gales across the region, and also some spells of rain, perhaps some sleet and even some snow over the highest ground too. So a real different feel to the weather. As we head through the day on Saturday, rain, some sleet, even some snow for the Chilterns, perhaps the North Downs as well. Top temperatures only about 5 degrees at best, but when you add on that wind chill, it is really going to feel sub-zero. So a real change, something very wintry on the cards through the weekend.
Yeah, turning really cold. Thanks very much for that, Sarah.
A very good evening to you. The weather keeping us on our toes as we approach the weekend, feeling so much colder and increasingly windy and wintry for many of us in the next 24 to 48 hours.